Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create Google Form fast. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then just type out google.com/form/about and then click on the try forms for work. Then you will be redirected to this website and then just click on the template that you want or the blank template, of course. Okay, so just click on this one, then just wait for a few seconds, and then you can just, type out the title of your form and then the description of your form. Okay, so just try deleting this entitled form and change it according to your title. Now, from your description, you can just write here the description of your form, what is it all about. Okay, so I'm just going to type out get ready. And then for your question, you can now just type out here your first questions. For example, what is your full name? Okay, and then for the option one, you can choose if what kind of option that you can give. So since we're asking for a full name, we can change it to a short answer. Okay, so that the people would be able to type out their full name here. Okay, and then right after that, you can also add a new question. Just click on the plus icon and then add your second question. So for example, how old are you? Okay, and then click on the answer that you want. So for example, short answer text again. And then you can also choose the multiple choice and then type out your options. For example, I'm going to put here 12 or 15 and above. Okay, and then you can also click on it again and then click on the paragraph. Okay, if you want your respondent to answer longer answers, so you can just select that one. Okay, so you can also add images, okay, to your forms. Okay, so for example, we are going to click on this image icon, okay, and then you can just select the images that you want by tapping on the Google Drive, Google Images, Photos, or by URL. Okay, and also you can add a YouTube videos by searching the title of the YouTube videos or just type out the URL here, then click on select. Okay, and then just save it after that. Okay, so you will then just have to paste here the video. And then right after doing everything, you can see the view of your form. Okay, so just click on the eye option. So this how it looks like when other people open the link that you are going to send them with your form. Okay, so how can we be able to send or copy the link of our form so that the people could answer our survey? Okay, so let's go back here, then click on send. Okay, you can send this via email or just copy the link. So you can shorten your link, okay, and then copy. Then now you can start sending the link to the people that you want. Okay, so for example, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so as you can see, I'll be redirected to the form that I have created. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.